We will show you a few ways to apply page breaks in the document. The first option is to use key combination. Put the mouse pointer before the text that you want to move. Simultaneously press Ctrl+Enter on your keyboard. Next option works same as the previous one. Put the mouse pointer before the text that you want to move. Go to Insert tab at the top tools bar. Go to Pages at the left side of the bar. Click on Page Break option. The next option is a bit more complicated and has more tools to work with. Put the mouse pointer before the text that you want to move. Go to Layout tab at the top tools bar. Go to Page Setup block and click on Breaks. You will see a list of available options: Page, Column, Text Wrapping, Next Page, Continuous, Even Page, and Odd Page. Each option has a description to help you better understand how the document will look if you use the option. Finally, the last option is to insert a page break. Select the text that you need. Right-click on it and choose Paragraph from the list. A new window will open. Go to Line and Page Breaks option. Go to Pagination block. Check Page Break Before option. Click OK. That's it.